Hello, my name is John Jarbo and I'm a Technical Marketing Manager at Sencha. The Sencha platform helps you rapidly build data-intensive cross-platform web applications that deliver the right experience on the right screen at the right time. Ext JS provides a modern, object-oriented JavaScript framework with hundreds of beautiful, dynamic, high-performance HTML5 controls, robust data and layout managers, easy customization, and accessibility. In this video, I'm going to focus on customizable themes, specifically how Sencha Themer enables developers and designers to easily create and share themes for Ext JS applications. Sencha Themer is available as part of the Ext JS Premium package. Developers have long been able to customize the appearance of Ext JS apps, typically by modifying source code in conjunction with input from designers. Sencha Themer enables users to design themes in an interactive visual environment without coding, making theme creation accessible to designers and users that do not make code changes. Themes can be packaged up, shared, and easily applied to other apps. For example, say I have a mobile app that uses our modern toolkit, and I want to give it a dark theme inspired by Google's Material Design. I can easily apply a theme based on Material, then start tweaking it to give it the look I want. I have the app running in a local phone simulator, so I can see the effect of my changes. I'll start with the dark gray default background, which will be automatically inherited by other controls based on the class hierarchy. Themes respect the hierarchy you use in your custom controls too, ensuring themes apply as you would expect and allowing you to tweak things if necessary. You can see that changes are reflected in the running app almost immediately. I'll use a teal color to contrast against the gray, setting that up in a few different controls used by my app. After changing just a few settings, I have a fully functional theme for my app. The theme exists within my app's source code, meaning that it'll be tracked in version control and available in continuous integration and testing environments. To ensure consistent theming across multiple apps, themes can be exported into a zip file and added to other apps as a normal Ext.js package. Sencha Themer makes it easier than ever to create a consistent visual brand and experience in cross-platform Ext.js apps utilizing classic and modern toolkits. Sencha Themer enables developers and designers to easily create themes without worrying about HTML, CSS, or browser tweaks. Themes can be stored in source control, ensuring reproducible results and shared between apps and teams. More information and videos about Ext.js and the Sencha platform are available on our website. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to check back soon for more videos about Sencha products, and visit sencha.com to find out how we can further support your development needs.